Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling you about how to fix this auto call record without announcement in your Motorola smartphone. If you are having difficulty when you just pick the call and it always started the recording and it will be saved to your file manager or your downloads. So how you can fix these problem? So first let's open the phone call application. I have opened the settings now. You have to click on this one here, it is call recording. Just tap on here, scroll down, here it is automatically recording. So if you have enabled this one, so you can just simply turn it off from here, or here is another play audio tone instead of disclaimer. So you can, if you have enabled this, when you record a call, both parties are noticed. When the call recording starts and end, you may choose to replace the audio notification. If you want to, you can agree it, or you can just simply disable it. And if you want to turn off this automatically call record, if you want to do it manually, you have to just turn it off from here, and it is disabled now. And now it will not annoy you after automatically records the call. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.